Hello students, now I am going to present meaning of profit and loss appropriation account, then format, and then one problem related to profit and loss appropriation account. First one, profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account is merely an extension of profit and loss account of the firm. It shows how the profits are appropriated. Here appropriated means distributed among the partners. All adjustments in respect of partners' salary, partners' commission, interest on capital, interest on drawings, etc. are made through this account. It starts with the net profit or net loss as per profit and loss account is transferred to this account. Next, format. As I already explained you, profit and loss appropriation account is just like profit and loss account. Therefore, debit side you have to record all expenses or losses of the organization. Credit side, income of the organization. For example, if any net loss is there, debit side you have to record. Any interest on capital, salary and commission paid to partners, you have to record debit side. Any interest on partners loan paid, then you have to record debit side. Then next, at the end you have to write as balancing figure as partners capital account. Credit side, if any net profit is there, you have to record net profit, then interest on drawing, then balancing figure you have to transfer to partners capital account. Here is a problem related to profit and loss appropriation account. In this problem, there are three partners, Amit, Babu and Charu. Here three partners. They contributed rupees 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. Their profit sharing ratio is, profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Here Amit paid salary of rupees 1,000 per month. Babu a commission of rupees 5,000 and interest to be allowed on capital at 6% per annum. And then here in this problem they have given drawings of Amit 6,000 and Babu 4,000, then Charu 2,000. Interest on drawing amount given rupees 270, then Amit's drawing rupees 180, then Babu's drawing, then 90 on Charu's drawing. Here net profit 35,660 given. Here first you have to record debit side all the expenses of the organization, then credit side all the income of the organization. First write headline profit and loss appropriation account. Then in this problem they have given net profit, that is 35,660. That one you have to record credit side. Then in this problem they have given Amit is to be paid salary of rupees 1,000 per month. Therefore debit side Amit's salary you have to record 1,000 per month means 1,000 into 12, then you will get 12,000. Then in the problem Babu commission rupees 5,000 given. This 5,000 is not per month, therefore you have to record debit side Babu's commission 5,000. Next, here in this problem they have said that interest be allowed on capital at 6% per annum. Their interest on capital, here capital amount given 50,000, 40,000, 30,000 of each partner. On that you have to calculate 6%. Then you will get interest on capital of Amit 3,000, Babu 2,400, Charu 1,800. Next, here in this problem they have given interest on drawing, you have to record which side? Credit side. Interest on drawing rupees 270 was charged on Amit's drawing. Therefore credit side interest on drawing Amit 270, then Babu's interest on drawing is 180, then Charu's interest on drawing is 90. Here credit side more, then here total is 36,200. From this total you have to deduct debit side item, then you will get balancing figure 12,000. That is credit side more means profit. That 12,000 you have to distribute in the profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. Here working is given. Here Amit 12,000 into 3 by 6 means 3:2:1 means if you add 3 plus 2 plus 1 then you will get 6. Therefore 12,000 into 3 by 6 you will get 6,000. Babu 12,000 into 2 by 6 means you will get 4,000. Then Charu 12,000 into 1 by 6 means 2,000. Then you will get the same answer 12,000. Both side total equal. Thank you.